Everybody, welcome back to RK Collectibles. I am K.
And I am R.
Yes, it's been a long time since we came back with any video, so apologies. We have both been really busy. It's been the World Cup season, a lot of things to collect. But so far, we just came back here today just to let everybody have an update of our World Cup Adrenalyn completion status. So now you see, this is our collection so far. We have about 7 out of the 9 invincible cards. So missing just number 4 and number 8. Okay, so the rest of our collection is about 50% completed. We're short of about 50 cards. So today we got one more box here for us to have a battle break. I'm just having fun with R to see who and if we can get the number 4 and number 8 of the Top Master in these packs of 24 here. Okay, so let's go. Let's go. Open it, no. Yeah, so R is opening his first pack. Okay. Go near the table. Yeah. Okay, so what have you got? Okay, this one. What's this? Let's show the open. Ooh, Top Master, but it's number 1. So R has got, yes, the first draw. First draw. So it is the Top Master. Angel Di Maria. Okay, and then what else? Neymar Jr. Good card. Ronaldo, Austria, and then these are basic cards, right? So basic cards we put it here. Okay, so good. Alright, so he's got the first Top Master already. My god, that's really fast. There are only 2 Top Masters in each pack, so a bit disappointed that we didn't get number 7 or 4, but at least it helps us to swap. Okay, so Game Changer, Griezmann, and the Brazil badge, Titan, Mexico. Digital pack. Okay, over back to you. Now to open up. I think you get this digital pack. You don't need that. Never. Open. Oh, legend. Muller. Okay. Nice. What else is that? Okay, the rest are just normal cards. Cavani, one of my favorite players, Cavani. Yeah, and then these are normal cards, normal base cards. You can just put it over there. And the normal cards you put here, okay? Okay, my turn. So fast, first pack already you got the Top Master. But we are looking for number 4 or number 7, okay? Okay, this one could be a special card. Ooh, Top Keeper, Alisson. And then we have Goal Machine Suarez, Posca. And then the rest are base cards. Hopefully we can complete our base cards by today, you know. So we don't have to get so many of extra loose individual cards from outside. Yeah, open. Pull the corner here. Oh no, yeah, pull. Okay, so R is still learning how to kind of open the packs. Okay, you need to go nearer. Sorting out the digital cards. And then what's this one? Flip. Done. Ooh, Top Master Harry Kane, number 4. So this is the one that we have been missing, and R has actually won the challenge, right? Because he's got the 2 Top Master cards already. So yep, just putting it over here. So I don't think there's going to be any more Top Masters. So he win, right? But let's see what are the rest, because you got both the Top Masters.
Then we still have to find the invisible.
No, I don't think there's invisible card anymore. Bernardo Silva, fan favorite, or the Mandy, and then these are just normal base cards. So now we already found the 2 top masters, then we will fasten up already because R has won today's challenge and I had 0 top masters to pull today. Yeah. Unbelievable, the luck. Okay, so I think there's something special about this card here, right? This is the special card, no? Oh, Titan. They legit. And then you have a fan favorite, Mexico, base cards. Okay, your turn, open. You not open, you tear it here, tear the corner. Yes. So this is just like me and R just chilling. It's been a really difficult month for me personally, but you know, sometimes it's just spending some time with your kids, and this is the fun about having, you know, a hobby that both of you can play together, right? Okay, all these are normal cards. Okay, you got Gonzini, Spain Crest, Vida. Okay, then the rest you can put it there. Normal cards. I might zoom a little bit nearer. Yep, so that R is a bit better position. Okay, so this one. Oh, it goes by this way, is it? Okay, okay. The digital pack. Oh, rookie.
Yeah.
Happy. Okay. And then you got Kazri, Sergio Busquets, and then the rest are just base cards. Okay, go. Open. You know how to open. Pull the corner. Yes. So now I'm starting to get the hang of this. So the last packet, right? The last card is usually the best card. So that's how the people crack it, right? So this is the best card, supposedly. Goal machine. And then you got Hassan. Okay. Oh. Is that a fan favorite?
Yes.
Fan favorite. Contenders team, okay. And then I got a Hassan. Contenders team, game changer. Oh. What is this? Titan, Magician. Lozano. Okay. And then these are just normal cards. You put it here. Let's just keep opening. Let's keep cracking. At least we got our Harry Kane already. So, okay. Okay, so these are normally just, now I get the hang of it, these are just normal cards. And then your good card should be somewhere here. Game changer, okay. Rudiger. What's it gonna be? What do you got? Go near it. Go near it.
No,
Oh no, this is a normal card. So you have to change the other side. Turn it the other way. Yep. Yep. Oh, goal machine. Torres. When go nearer, people can't see. Okay. Then another one. The badge, England crest. Nice. Okay. Then you can put back these normal cards. Okay. Right, so what do we have? Oh, Ronaldo again! Yes, really like the Ronaldo card. Huge fan of Ronaldo. Nice. Okay, and then you got your Rujo, Thiago Silva, and the rest of the base cards. Harry Kane. Okay, what you got, Mira? This is a special card. This is a special card. Show everybody. Flip it. Ooh, legend! Andre Guado, legend. Nice. Okay, what other cards you got? Oh, it's okay. Ooh, top keeper. And Ruben Diaz.
There is a base card.
Base cards. Okay, open. Okay, so this one is supposedly a good card. Game changer. Sadio Mane. And then you have your Kulki QFA card. And base cards over here. Ooh. Omlo. Go nearer here. Another one. What's this? Fan favorite. And then what's this one? Country badge.
Country badge.
And these are normal cards. The same. Normal cards already. Can check.
Oh, they are the same.
Yeah, the same. So I guess it's really just two top masters. Savage. Mina. Ukraine. Cheering for Ukraine, yeah? Okay. Go nearer. Yeah. Okay. Then this is yours. Okay. And then this is the special card. What's everybody's gonna see? Turn it around. Oh, rookie. Okay. And then you got that's all about. That's all. Okay.
That's so fast.
Contender team and goal machine. Okay. Down to my last 3 packs. I really don't think there's any other top masters, because this should be 2 in a box, but you never know. Okay. Okay. Oh, game changer, Griezmann. And we got Son Heung-min, Korean superstar. Another Korean card. And we got De Bruyne, so on and so forth. Okay. Okay. What do you get? Titan. And then fan favorite. Okay.
Fan favorite.
And then this one, the rest are normal cards. Last 2 packs. Let's go. Chodos, Vertonghen, that's our dog. Senegal.
What is it going to be?
Yeah, shine it. Okay, it's a special one. It's a special one. Turn it around. Ooh, top keeper, Summer.
Summer.
Okay. Nothing much. No, this is special cards. You put it here. Argentina badge. You might need that one. And then normal cards. Okay. And the last pack. Okay, this is my last pack. Let's see what I got. I think this is a good one. It's a midfielder. It's a midfielder, okay. Boom. Pedri, rookie. Okay, not sure if I have that guy ready, but it's a good one nevertheless. Depay, Kjær, and normal base cards. What's your last card, What's your last one? You got anything special? Nope. Show it for everybody. Okay. Alright, so more or less this is the end. Oh, Germany team crest.
There is a big score.
Yes, so that's all we have. R has got the 2 special pools for the day, Harry Kane and Angel Di Maria. So R is super happy. He's won the challenge, and I think that's the end. We will get busy packing our cards, and hopefully by the end of this month we would have completed our Adrenalyn World Cup collection. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.